Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to use the stream page with your students in Google Classroom. First, the stream page is a new feature and has a brand new look to posts that you created in Google Classroom. The stream page is a one-stop shop area that will display all of your assignments, your announcements, questions, even questions that the students had posted, any comments that students reply to for questions, um, and a dialogue. It will show everything here on the stream page. The stream page can be used to engage students on a writing prompt or a do now assignment or even an exit ticket. So you can even create an assignment or excuse me, an announcement, um, post a question here, and the students will see this question posted as an announcement when they log into Google Classroom, and they will be able to reply as a class comment. Now, first, you have to make sure that students are able to post and comment to the stream page. If you go into the class consolidated settings area by hitting the cogwheel, you can see here it says the stream under the general section. Make sure this says students can post and comment. Post and comment means that they can post a question and reply to a question. Students can only comment, meaning students can reply to a question, and obviously this will allow teachers to only post and comment to the stream page. So this has to be verified first so that you can engage in a conversation with your students on the stream page. Again, the stream page can be utilized to engage students in a do now assignment, an exit ticket, a writing prompt, allow students to reply to each other by having students post questions about a topic that they want to know more about right here on the stream page. I hope you found this screencast helpful.